Hey guys, so I just got the December Fab bag. So yeah, let's quickly unbox it. Ooh, shiny. The December Fab bag, I believe, is the party theme because it's the New Year month and it is all shiny and bright. It's silver and black and I quite like the packaging. It's quite nice and appropriate for the party theme. Let's dig into the products one by one. So first up I have is a lipstick. It's the City Color Be Matte lipstick in the shade Lana. Now I had a choice to pick one makeup item this month and I love the lipstick I got last month, the City Color Be Matte lipstick. I think I had chosen the shade Phoebe. So there were other, I think, blush options and some other options, but I absolutely loved this lipstick, so I went with this lipstick again in another shade, that is Lana, which is a very pretty red. I'll just show you. This is how the shade looks. It's a very pretty red. So I went with another City Color Be Matte lipstick in Lana, and these lipsticks are really good, really good. I love them. Second product is the Iba Halal Nourishing Foot Massage Cream. Now I had tried Iba Halal moisturizer and a lipstick before. The moisturizer was pretty decent, not bad, and this is a foot massage cream and this is priced at ₹95 and it has olive oil, cocoa butter, shea butter. And I think foot massage cream is pretty good for the month of December, Jan, which is the winters, when your feet tend to get very dry and you tend to get cracked heels and stuff. So I do not get cracked heels throughout the year, but during the month of December, Jan, I do get a bit of dryness on my heels and a little bit of cracked heels if I don't moisturize them well. And yeah, I am looking forward to trying this foot massage cream. Next up is the Natural Bath and Body Hair Essentials Thank God It's Friday Hair Mist. I had got Natural Bath and Body face mask, I guess, last month, and this is a hair mist. I think this is like a perfumed hair mist. Let me just take a sniff. Spray some on my hair. This smells really good. It is slightly strong initially when you spray it, but seconds it settles down and then it is like mild and soft enough. But I don't think this smell will stay throughout the day. They suggest use after wash and top up as needed. A whiff of a lightweight mist with a perfect blend of spicy and floral notes. Let your hair down and get you in the fun. I think this is very good to travel along with, like in your bag, if you have oily greasy hair and if you have to attend a party after office or something like that, you can carry this with you and just spray it after work and be set for the party. Smell is pretty good though, as they have mentioned. It is floral with a hint of spiciness and woodiness to it, so it is a little warm with floral. I love the warm and floral mix. Like, I'm not a floral or fruity person, but the blend of warm woody smell with floral is what I love. So yeah, I quite like the smell. And last but not the least, we have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. It's on the go rollerball, so it's in the rollerball form. It says it helps improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, aging skin, dry or damaged skin. And it has canola oil, sesame seed oil, cocoa butter and hip oil and a lot of good ingredients. The ingredients look really good and Palmer's make very good products. So I've used the body lotions earlier and I've loved them. Again, I think this is perfect to carry or travel along with. You can either keep it in your handbag for daily use or you can travel with this. Because this is in a roll-on form, you can use this like on your elbows, or if you have dry patches anywhere in particular on your face, you can just use it on that part. And yeah, I think this is a very handy packaging. These were the 4 things. The December Fab Bag theme is called the Party Holic. And let me tell you the price of each product. The City Color lipstick is priced at 500 and it is full sized. The Iba Halal foot massage cream is full sized and is priced at ₹95. And let me tell you the quantity. It is 50 grams. It is 50 grams and priced at ₹95. The Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula is priced at $460 for 60 ml. And let me tell you how much is this. This is 15 ml. So should be 115. And the natural bath and body, thank god it's Friday, hair mist is priced at rupees 525 for 100 ml, and this I believe is 50 ml. It's 50 ml, so this one is priced at around 260. So the total value of all these 4 products in this month's fab bag comes to around rupees 1000, which is pretty good. I'm happy with the lipstick and also the Palmer's cocoa butter oil. The hair mist is pretty decent too, a perfect size to travel and carry along with, and I'm looking forward to trying the Iba Halal foot massage cream. I liked the moisturizer earlier, so I'm not sure how this will be, but I think it should be pretty decent. Also, Iba Halal is 100% cruelty free. That's about it. These were all the 4 products I received in my December fab bag. I would not say it's a must buy, but the products are pretty decent. One is full sized while the rest all are deluxe size samples, and the mist is like half sized. Massage cream is full sized but like a 50-gram tube. Overall, I would say it's pretty okay. If you would like one makeup product of your choice and would like to try these 3 products, then you can give it a try. So yeah, that was it for my December fab bag unboxing. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I also have a Body Shop giveaway going on, so I will be linking that giveaway at the end of this video or here somewhere. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye.